How to get PMP Certification Guide 2025. How do I get a PMP certification by 2025? Managing projects is not an easy task. There are so many things that can go wrong. Moreover, companies realize the risks that come with a project. Therefore, they try to recruit project managers with PMP certification who can handle the project from its initiation to delivery. Therefore, an efficient project manager can change the course of a project. To sum up, no matter if you are working on a little project or not, with modest business goals or a tremendous, multi-departmental movement with clearing corporate implications, a cognizance of the project management life cycle is essential. Project management works on a great mechanism. It believes that a project has different stages. Therefore, a clear plan of activities or tasks protects the project from beginning to end. Projects are of every kind, with constraints like the project's cost, time, and resources. Moreover, learning the 5 stages of the project management life cycle will keep your project on track from inception to delivery. The Project Management Professional Certification is valid for a duration of 3 years. So, candidates must spend 60 hours during that time frame to maintain it. Therefore, getting enrolled for professional certification in project management is vital. Before applying for the PMP exam, validate the PMP requirements, education requirements, eligibility criteria, and project management experience. Ensure to check the features provided by the Project Management Training Institute to ensure quality preparation. Project Management Stages. There are 5 stages of project management. These stages are project initiation, project organization, project execution, project monitoring and control, and project delivery after completion. The stages are covered by the Project Management Institute during the training program for PMP certification. Initiation stage. This is the most crucial stage in any project. A project starts at this stage. Therefore, it can begin with an idea or a concept. Usually, companies form a board or committee to oversee the different stages of a project. Therefore, the project manager consults his team and asks for ideas. Many ideas don't find approval because of defects in them. Finally, the project manager selects the most beneficial ideas and moves to the next stage. The PMP certification validates these significant skills in project management. Organizing stage. Individual structures for cost, scope, length, quality, correspondence, hazard, and resources play a very important role in developing a proper project plan. Moreover, in this stage, the project manager, along with his team of members, decides a course of action. Therefore, the aim is to follow the course of action without any deviation. We need to understand that risks are present in every project. Therefore, professionals with professional certification are more preferred to tackle risks and the need to identify the course plan of action. Execution stage. A major portion of the project gets project appraisals during this stage through endeavors as status reports and project meets. Also, different status reports, human resource needs, and execution reports are beneficial during this stage. The execution stage has enormous importance. Moreover, it will determine whether your project has a greater chance of success or failure. Monitoring and control stage. However, coinciding as the execution stage, everything considered directs assessing the project execution and progression in consent to the project plan. Key execution markers for cost and time are found to prevent problems in the project. Measures and plans are being made to keep them in mind. Therefore, this helps to keep the project on track. Completion stage. A project reaches completion in this stage. Therefore, It consolidates the advancement of huge tasks like payments, looking at the marketing side of the product, etc. Similarly, companies close a project when they give the completed project to the client, negotiate with stakeholders, and pass on different projects' central focuses. This sincere movement in the project life cycle licenses the company to survey and record the project and proceed ahead with it, utilizing past project mistakes and wins to aggregate more grounded cycles and more critical follow-ups. Therefore, this stage watches out for the finished project. Moreover, assistants get their credit, and project masters start a new project.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.